Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over Skeleton Donut Lalo for Town Hall level 12. Now, Lalo is a pretty powerful strategy at this Town Hall, and Skeleton Donut is no exception. So let's go ahead and look at the army for this one. The army is going to be your king, your queen, your warden on sky mode, 2 ice golems, 7 super barbarians, 2 lava hounds, 21 balloons, 3 headhunters, 8 minions, 2 rocket balloons, 1 rage, 3 invisibility, 2 skeleton spells, 3 haste, 1 freeze, in Clan Castle Stone Slammer, 3 balloons, 1 dragon rider, and 2 freeze. Now, just like any Lalo strategy we used before, you were going to want to deploy the Lalo very specifically. So let's go ahead and get into the example. So, as with any Lalo, make sure you note where all the splash defenses are. Make sure you get all of those down in the attack, as well as where the queen and minion prints are in the town hall. Now, since it'll fight back. So the first thing you want to do is place a skeleton donut. To do that, place the rage, then invisibility, then the skeletons by the buildings you want to take out. Remember, this is very precise. So if you're using this in war, make sure you have practiced this a lot beforehand. Alright, now here's the new part. So the town hall in itself is tricky. Now you want to send your king after it. So you're going to want to use the 2 ice golems and the super barbarians to help you do that. The super barbarians are very useful for funneling the king since he doesn't target anything over walls. It's fairly easy to funnel him. We are trying to funnel him through this corridor right here. And with the ice golems, we're going to be using them to tank and freeze defenses for a little bit. If there's a hero the king can take out near there, that is just an added bonus. Here we got the queen as well. With the king ability, we're going to get the town hall down. Now, if you don't have an easy way to get the town hall down, I would recommend not using this particular strategy because the town hall makes Lalo a lot more difficult because it does a lot of damage and then explodes, defeating all balloons. So with the queen, what I did is I used the ability to get rid of this section over here. This makes the Lalo a lot cleaner of an L to follow. Then we placed over here in this section, we placed the hounds and balloons. So the pattern is 1 hound, then a lot of balloons, and then 1 hound again, and save some balloons to help reinforce in the corner. In this case, I saved the stone slammer and some of my balloons. There is a tornado trap over here, so these are going to stall. So I focused on this pack of balloons over here when I was placing my reinforcements. Whenever we are getting close to any splash defenses, make sure to use the haste spell. I used the freeze spell to save my queen, but you can always use it to stop any splash defenses if you need. Now here the minion prince can attack my queen or attack my balloons uncontested, so I'm going to have my headhunters go over there and take it out. Alright. Now getting into the end of this one, this strategy is very fast-paced. If you stall too much on this strategy, you will time fail, which happened to me a couple of times while getting this recording to make a video of. So make sure you are doing this as quick as possible. If you get to a point where you can move on to the next step, move on to the next step as soon as possible. Don't stall. So make sure you practice this a lot before using this in any type of war attack because you do not want any stalling whatsoever. Alright.